welcome back to my channel. Today is just gonna be a day in the life vlog. I know that y'all like those vlogs. I like filming them. Oh! My pool thing just sprayed me. My freaking pool cleaner keeps spraying me. Seriously? It's like it knows I'm out here. I actually have a doctor's appointment today at 1 o'clock because I think I have a kidney infection, but I'm not sure. It's like the weirdest thing. I ovulated like 5 days ago, and then I started getting like UTI symptoms like 3 days ago, and then yesterday my lower back hurt like all day. I thought it was just PMS, and everything just felt really weird down there, and I thought it was just like severe PMS, but it got to where like I could not leave my heating pad on my couch. Like even just to get up to go to the bathroom, it was like painful to walk. And I'm like, this is not probably PMS. Like I don't think this is normal. So I'm just gonna go to the doctor to rule out any possibility of it being something more, which really sucks because I know that anytime you go to the doctor, you're gonna leave with an antibiotic. So I'm not looking forward to that, but I have my probiotics and I feel like I'm prepared for it. I am also going to go on the hunt for a lunch kit for my husband because I used to pack his lunch all the time. I love doing it because I love like knowing what he's eating, but he just is so like, we just don't have the same taste bud. So it's been like really hard for me to pack him a lunch. I told him the issue is that I can't pack like I pack food for myself, and I think that's my problem. Like I want to send him with like a bunch of chickens and salad and grapes and nuts, and he's just not into that, and I just gotta face the fact. So it's about 11 o'clock right now and I'm starving. I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. So I'm back home, but my dog keeps getting out of my backyard and I can't for the life of me find where she's getting out. I'm walking to the front yard to see if she's up there. Because she's not in the backyard. Kylie, where were you? God, you're so bad. You're so bad. No, no ma'am. No ma'am. You do not leave this house. Kylie, hey, do not leave. I wanted to show you what I got while I was out. So I went to TJ Maxx to get a few things for my Momo. So this is the first thing I got her. It's a warming neck pillow. So you just pop it in the microwave and you wrap it around your neck, and it's just really comfy, really cozy. She deals with a lot of tension in her neck. I kind of hold all my stress in my neck too. I probably got it from her. So I went ahead and got her this. It was $9.99. And then y'all, I found this in the clearance section, and it's for your tea. So I can make larger batches of tea now, and it strains it for me, and I just put warm water in here, and I can store it in the fridge so I don't have to rebrew it every single night because I am using loose leaf tea, so that's gonna be really helpful. And then I got her some sweet and salty popcorn. Popcorn is her favorite snack. I got her these coffee spoons too. They're salted caramel flavor because she drinks coffee every morning. I thought those looked really yummy. And then I just randomly found this little greeting card. It says, "Oh baby." It's for like a baby shower. But their clearance cards are only $1 and they're so freaking cute. So I got this. It was only $1. Oh, and then this is really, really cute. I'm gonna need one of my best friends to get pregnant and have a baby shower ASAP because this was so cute. It was a freaking $1. So basically you just put it out like at the baby shower, and it's wishes and happy thoughts for the baby, or sorry, for the baby and the mom to be from us. So you open it and like everybody will like have a page. So, but each page is different and there's tons of pages. They're different cute things. Like I love thinking about how blank you will be with your baby. When the baby sleeps, remember to blank. They're just so cute. Baby might be a champion at blank. I love this one. Don't listen to anyone who tells you to blank. They're just so freaking cute. I think this would be the cutest thing for a baby shower. So yeah, if my best friends could get up on that, that'd be great. Both of my best friends aren't, well, one of them just got married. I don't think they're like in a rush for a baby. The other one isn't married. So like, come on, bitches, I need you to do that. And then I just picked up another little baby card. It just says congratulations. It says "Oh Baby" on the back, super cute. It was $1 I picked up some more lashes. These are faux mink lashes. I love the length, and I can only do the faux mink because I really don't like the way anything else looks. So I got these. I forgot I got this. I'm really excited about it. I got myself a new diffuser for the living room, but look how freaking pretty it is. It is like actual marble diffuser. I got it because for the price, the features sounded like really good. Like it has a huge water tank. It's gonna be the largest one in my house actually. And then the run time is 8 hours continuous. And then you can also do a 16-hour intermittent setting, which is really, really, really nice. I bet you anything your TJ Maxx has diffusers. They had a ton of them. There was like 5 of them in my cart that I couldn't decide between, but then I went with this black marble one because I thought it would look really nice in my living room. Just like really classy. Love it. And then I just got my Momo a new pair of slippers. I think she needed a new pair for my house, but I like these because they have the rubber on the bottom, just like the UGG slippers. So I think she's really, really gonna like those. Okay, so I wanted to show you what I got Matt for him to use for his lunches. I really wanted to find him a lunch setup that will keep his food hot or cold, and it'll just be easy for him to like grab and go. This is called a 6-pack bag. And this one is freaking huge. It's actually their like largest size, but it's really cool because if you open it up, you have your compartments right here for like snacks and meals. It's snap and lock Tupperware. This one comes with 5. The 6-pack that I'm about to show you that I have only came with 3, I think, so it was perfect. It's the perfect size for like snack foods, or you can put all your protein in one, all your carbs in the other. It also has this top section here. I think this one's way too big. I went ahead and got it. Oh my God. There's another one here. Oh yeah, this is a different type of container. It's like for like almonds or like supplements. Put it at the top. And this is freaking huge. Let me show you what this, I wanted this size for him, but they didn't have it when I went. So I was like, you know what, just let me get this one. It's the last one they have. And then if I don't want to keep it, then I'll just return it. But this is mine. It needs to be washed. It is very, very dirty. I use the crap out of it. So this one's perfect because it just has this side pocket. I used to put my water in here. You could put like a kombucha, protein shake, coffee in there. It still has that top compartment as well, but my Tupperwares are where our Tupperware is. And then, same concept, but this one only has for 3 meals. So it's like 3 little trays in there for your meals. And then this is like just a zipper pouch. And it also came with ice packs as well. So I'm gonna let Matt look at this one, but I mean, like, look at the difference. What the heck? So I'm pretty positive that he's gonna say it's too big and to bring it back. So this is just a really, really good way to get your man to have good food when he goes to work. So I'm excited about that. Okay, y'all, I am back home. I ended up returning that big ass bag, and I actually found one on Amazon that was like half the price, and I think Matt's really gonna like it. So I'm gonna hold off on showing you how I pack his lunch for whenever I have the lunch kit with me. So if you are thinking about doing the same thing, maybe go ahead and order that lunch kit, and then by the time I post the video, we can pack our lunches together, whether it's for you or your husband. They had like 10 different colors in this particular bag. So yeah, I thought that that would be really cool. So right now, I'm actually waiting on a special guest to get to my house. In the meantime, I have just a few dishes that I need to clean, and then I'm gonna start dinner. And of course, I'm gonna show you what we're eating. Okay, it's time to make dinner. I am going to saute in that pan, or pot, whatever, this vegetable stir-fry kit. I'm gonna take the soba noodles out, save them for Matt. I'm gonna do 1/4 of each of one of these peppers. I'm gonna do some carrots. I'm gonna do just like maybe like 1/3 of this onion, and then I'm gonna do some garlic. And that's gonna go in the pot. It's gonna cook. Then I'm gonna add some ground deer meat. You could use any ground meat that you want. And then we're gonna season it up. Look how beautiful these veggies look. My goodness, it's so easy. The special guest just got here. The guest of honor. Dang, I can hear her radio. She's rocking out. You're rocking out.
Lord Jesus. I made it in one piece.
You're rocking out in here, girl.
I mean to tell you, if it wasn't for this thing on Navigator, I wouldn't have known where to turn. Thank you, Lord.
You're here. Okay, what do I need to get?
Oh, my stuff is in the back seat. He's already excited because I'm here. Just a minute, Kylie.
Your room, madam. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, what's all this here?
I didn't even know Santa came here.
What's Santa doing in my room?
He don't belong in here. So I grounded the meat in a separate pot and I added the sauce that came in that stir fry kit to just the meat, and I let it like sit there for a little bit, and then I added the meat to the veggies. And I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit longer, and then I'm making some white jasmine rice that I'm gonna put underneath this, and then I'm gonna top it with sriracha, and it looks so good. What you think about it?
It looks delicious and it smells very, very good. Can't wait to try it.
We haven't tasted it yet, but so I just put jasmine rice on the bottom, and then the stir fry mixture, and then I'm gonna top it with white sesame seeds, and then I'm gonna top it with sriracha. Hey guys, it's actually lunch the next day, but I wanted to show you another way that you can use this Trader Joe's stir fry and ground beef that I made, and that is in lettuce wraps just like this. So you don't always have to eat it over rice. This is really a low carb option. Okay, now back to the vlog. Bye! Okay guys, I thought it would be fun to end the vlog if Momo told y'all a funny story
About?
my childhood.
Oh my God. This little girl, she was so spoiled. I used to tell her she was gonna cry her life away because she cried for everything. Okay, so one time we were going.
I still cry for everything.
I know, you still tell me, you're still gonna cry your life away. Anyway, we were gonna go buy you some school shoes. Do you remember that? No, because you were just a little brat. So we're going through the Baytown Tunnel, and I was going to go shopping in Baytown at San Jacinto Mall. And I did not have your stroller because I no longer lived in your area. So I told you, Michelle, you're gonna have to walk because I don't have your stroller. And Momo's not gonna carry you all through the mall.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah, well, God forbid you walk.
Wait, how old was I?
Well, you were going to kindergarten, I think.
Okay.
Okay, maybe a little bit younger. I think you were in that school that cost a lot of money. What's it called?
Montessori.
That one.
Okay.
So you're really nonchalant. We're going through, just before we come out of the tunnel, you look to the left and you look to the right. Then you look at me and real sweetly you said, well, you should have brought one. In other words,
That sounds about right.
in other words, you weren't walking.
So did I walk?
No. No, it was my fault for not bringing a stroller, so I had to carry you.
You should have brought one.
Yeah. Well, you should have brought one.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just like that. As sweet as pie. You were just such a sweet baby. And you're still on top of me.
Can't you just hear my little voice?
Oh yeah. Yeah, but you were just not a smile. Just real serious. Like, you know, hey, it's not my fault. You should have brought one. So now guess what, Grandma? You're gonna have to carry me.
That is some funny stuff right there.
Yep, that's what you did.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
What other crazy shit have
Oh
I
no,
said?
there's some things we just don't want to repeat. Oh, you used to slap people all the time. You love to hit people. And when I saw that right hand coming, I go, pretty honey, tell a pretty little girl.
And I'd be like,
oh yeah, you want to slap them. You were violent. You're a violent child.
Thanks.
Oh, well, it's true. I got a lot of slapping myself. We take you to the pool. We took you guys to the lake, you and Alex, and there was kids wanting to play with you, and you would play with them really good. And when I saw that hand going up and right, had to run. Oh my God. I could just see the attack of the parents. Oh my God, Michelle, you're terrible, honey. You slap people all the time. I don't know why. I had to grab your head. And I said, Michelle, she's a pretty little girl, right, honey, pretty? But I had to hold your hand. Oh, no. And you look at me like, hit her.
I want to hit her.
I want to hit her. I know. We just could not take our eyes off of you. Both Bobo and I.
That is so funny. All I can think about is when I have a daughter and she like tries to hit people.
Remember that. Just tell them they're pretty, okay?
Oh, God.
Tell them they're pretty. I didn't know what else to do. We would scold you. We would spank you in the hand.
Laugh? I feel like I would laugh.
I was too busy trying to from keeping us getting killed from the people around us.
Oh my God, that is
I know.
so
We
funny.
slapped your little hand. No. Well, heck, that just gives the idea to hit somebody else.
That's true.
Yeah, that didn't work. You literally looked at us like, I don't want to look at them. I don't think they're pretty. Oh my goodness sakes alive. I said, what is wrong with this child?
Oh my God, that's so funny.
Yeah, we took y'all everywhere, but we had to watch you, honey. I know. Look, you see, I'm still carrying you around. What do you remember about Momo? What crazy thing do you remember about Momo? Be nice now.
Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know. Some of them might embarrass you.
Please. Okay? Let's keep it clean. There's children
Some of
watching.
them can't go on the internet.
Yeah, let's keep this a G.
Maybe whenever you told me that you
Okay.
you bumped into the mirror at the department store and said you were sorry.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. And then I'll look and say, oh, that looks like me. Oh, that is me.
So
I'm
me.
sure one of you guys had to have done that once before. I know that.
Excuse me.
And I wasn't.
Oh, gee, me.
I know. I'm always excusing myself, and it's always a mirror.
That is the end of the Friday vlog.
Dishes are done.
Dishes are done.
I have to go put my oils on that you created for me so I could sleep well, and they do help.
Yeah, I'm gonna oil her shoulders for her shoulder tension. I'm gonna put peppermint oil on her arm because she's been having like muscle issues. Okay, do you want to pick my subscriber of the day? Choose wisely.
Choose wisely.
Their fate is in your hands.
Just
pick one.
Did I hit anything?
Yeah, she's super nice too.
You're super nice. Your name is?
Rhea Gribble. Look, she's an artist.
An artist. Wow.
Hold on, let me show you some of her stuff. She's one of my subscribers.
Wow,
Yeah,
that's amazing.
she's on Instagram as R Gribble Paintings.
Oh my God, that must be Alaskan Lights.
The Northern Lights. So she actually has a YouTube channel too. And I think she's from Australia, but she will YouTube her doing these.
Oh my God.
Isn't that cool?
I would love to see. I need to subscribe to her.
Yeah, you need to subscribe
Yes.
to her.
Guys, you need to subscribe to her. It's beautiful.
So that's also my subscriber of the day because Momo picked her. So you can go follow her because she has taken her passion and brought it to YouTube, and I think that's really cool. Thank you for watching. Make sure you
don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.
Woo!
Thank you guys for supporting my granddaughter.
Mwah.
Mwah.
Withe.